Hey there, welcome back to palettelife and this is sumababu. As you all know, this channel is all about creating and trying out new things. Especially I make videos on art, craft and gardening related topics. Today we will make a hair brooch with handmade flowers. This one. So a hair brooch is one such hair accessory which is turning latest craze among girls. If you are somebody who like little ornamentation, then a single piece of this kind of floral brooch can do the magic and making you look elegant. So especially during this festive season, having one of this kind will complement your outfit as well as the event. So let's get started. For making jasmine buds, we need this type of small thermocol balls. I have multicolor balls here. Any colors will do. Then we need white tissue paper. Cut them into small pieces. Then keep a thermocol ball over the tissue paper and gently roll it from one side, making a bud shape. Complete all the balls. We need 30 jasmine buds for one brooch. Here I made more. I'll be using it for some other projects too. Next, we need green fabric color. Any green color will do. I'll use olive green here. I dip my pointing finger tip in the paint and just roll your finger over the flower stalk. Our jasmine flower bud is ready now. Complete the process with all the buds. We'll keep this for drying. By that time, we will make some satin ribbon roses. We get to buy ready-made roses at the market. We need 1.5 cm wide red ribbon, thread and needle for that. We need 15 cm long pieces for a flower. Check the process how to make them. We need 16 such roses for our project today. Both the flowers are ready now. We will see how to make a brooch. We need some thread. I am using normal machine green color thread here. I made it 4-folded. We need one handspan thread for the project. Using the needle, string the jasmine buds and roses. I used 6 jasmine buds and 4 roses alternatively. And at the end, tie a black thread on both the sides. Our DIY floral brooch is ready now. Isn't it beautiful? Try to make one by yourself. Mention your experience in the comment section. Okay then, see you soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, take care and bye.